project titled Detecting Malicious Twitter Bot Using Machine Learning. Twitter is one about the social networking platform among fastest growth. Retweeting allows messages towards being seen through more people. When live events like sports or awards shows occurs, number about tweets increases on its own. Smartphones and desktop both support accesses towards Twitter. Paid advertisements can be used towards enhance product sales and generate significant amount about income. Users can discuss current events, post news, and voice their thoughts. User can follow individuals who share their interests or viewpoints. It has also ability towards immediate tweet their followers by the users. The main objective of this problem statement is to focus on the prediction of Twitter bots based upon the algorithms employed as logistical regression and VGG19 machine learning methods. Requirements: hardware requirements, we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM should be 4 GB and above. Coming to the hard disk, it should be 20 GB and above. Software requirements, we need to install Python with the version of 3.7. Methodologies: to implement this project, we have designed few modules. First one, upload Twitter dataset. In this module, we are going to upload the dataset to this application. Next one, run module 1, extract tweets. In this module, we are going to extract the information from the online or offline of the tweets. Every time internet will not be available, so we are going to use offline Kaggle tweets dataset. By this module, we are going to read and extract all the tweets from the dataset. Next module, run module 2, recognize tweets bots using machine learning. By this module, we are going to extract features from the tweets such as activity, anonymity, and amplification. Activity refers to find tweets frequency, and anonymity refers to account information, and amplification refers to the retweet count. By this module, we are going to check whether account is having normal or bot. Next module, run module 3, recognize malicious URL using machine learning. By this module, we are going to analyze all the tweets and check it will tweet contains if any more number of URLs, then it will be considering as malicious URL, and we are going to check with the machine learning algorithms here. Then last module, run module 4, recognize malicious bot and URLs using VGG19. So by this module, we are going to analyze the dataset based upon the extracting features from the tweet dataset and checking that whether the dataset contains more URLs or malicious URLs or malicious bots in the dataset. Then last one, comparison graph. By this module, we are going to extract all the information of algorithms and also show the graphical representation. Then next one, execution. For the execution, close this file, open the code file. This is the code file, consists of dataset file. It contains Kaggle tweets dataset. And next one, model file. This model contains of .hy file which contains algorithm information, and file can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making prediction on the new data or performing specific operations. Then coming to this main file, and this is runbad file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bad file to execute the program. Now by clicking double tap on it, it will lead to the graphical user interface which is interactive to the program user. Then first button, upload tweets dataset. By clicking this button, you can see the dialog box open and select the dataset and click on open. So you can find that dataset was loaded. And next one, run module 1, extract tweets dataset. By clicking this modal, it will read the dataset and extract the features. And next one, run module 2, recognize tweets bots using machine learning algorithm. By clicking this modal, it will generate the graphical representation of the tweets based upon the bots, and also it is the bots possible users, and this is the graphical representation of based upon the bots logistical regression. And you can see the graphical representation of positive lead of the false positive road, and true positive rate. So red line indicates the false positive rate and blue line indicates the true positive rate. Now close this file and click on the next button, that is Run Module 3, recognize malicious URLs using ML. So in this module we are going to see the malicious URLs and also see the graphical representation of logistic regression based upon the malicious URL detection. And here you can see the false positive rate and true positive rate. So based upon this, true positive rate is higher comparing to the false positive rate. Now close this file and click on the fourth module, the recognize Twitter bots using VGG19. So by this model we can see that both bolt and URL detection was there in this model. So by that we are going to get the accuracy level, and you can see the false positive rate and true positive rate based upon the graphical representation of a VGG19 algorithm. So close this graph and click on the comparison graph button. By clicking this comparison graph button, you can see the frequency levels of accuracy of machine learning bot accuracy. It indicates the logistic regression accuracy of bot, and this is machine learning URL accuracy. This indicates the logistic regression algorithm of URL, and you can see VGG19 bot and URL accuracy. So in the x-axis you can contain algorithm names, and in the y-axis you consist of accuracy count. Then from all these algorithms we can see that UGG19 was the best accuracy score of this project. Now close this code file and go to the conclusion. So by this project, in this project we have identified Twitter bots based upon the training process of algorithms of logistic regression and also VGG19. In the comparison towards all the algorithms, VGG19 is best learning model based upon these projects finding in the Twitter bots. Thus using this project with the real data by using our machine learning algorithms is also possible, and also find out the Twitter bots successfully.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.